What should you do immediately if you have an active warrant in Travis County? Well, first of all, don't ignore it. If you have that active warrant and you are arrested by a police officer, even for something like a speeding ticket, they're almost certainly going to take you into custody. You don't want to have that hanging over your head, so deal with the warrant. Now, the way you deal with warrants in Travis County, it's different than it is in a lot of other counties, and it's actually a little bit better because they make it pretty easy to do a walkthrough. What a walkthrough is you post bond ahead of time or concurrent with doing the turn-in, and so when you do turn yourself in, you don't have to actually go down into the jail. Instead, you get your mugshot taken, your fingerprints, and then you can go on your way. The whole process takes an hour, hour and a half. Now, to do a walkthrough, you do need an attorney because an attorney is going to be able to waive that magistration process. If you don't have an attorney, there's really no way to avoid going down into the jail population, and the process could take 24 hours or even more. If you're able to get a personal bond and your attorney will walk you through that, you do not have to go through a bondsman. But if a personal bond is not granted, or if you have a charge that where a personal bond is not allowed to be granted by law, then you're going to have to also hire a bondsman, and that bondsman will post bond at the same time you do your walkthrough. So you do have to coordinate it with your attorney and your bondsman to be at the jail at the same time so that the walkthrough process will go smoothly. So if you have an active warrant in Travis County, I wouldn't wait. Give us a call right now. Visit atx.legal and we can start the process to schedule that walkthrough.